Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Remove.bg for brand cutouts step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the Remove.bg website. Locate the login button in the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter your email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password if needed. Once your credentials are entered, click the Login button. Wait for the page to load. If your login is successful, you will see your dashboard. Now, you are ready to start creating brand cutouts. Explore the various tools and options available on the dashboard. Upload an image by clicking the Upload button. Once uploaded, your cutout process will begin automatically. Review your image and make any necessary adjustments. Download your final image when satisfied with the cutout. You have successfully logged in and created a brand cutout using Remove.bg. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.